and welcome back to TechStack channel. We'll try to explore one more new concept. It's a new technology, so which we call VBA. So basically, VBA stands for Visual Basics for Application, and which we call as macros as well. So if you want to develop any VBA macros, just go to developers. So if this option is not enabled, just click on this file and go to these options. Okay, and go to this custom ribbon and you can see. So as of now, let it be. I will just click on that. Okay. So now there is no option with this developers. So now I want to enable the option developer. Go to this options and go to custom ribbons and select the developers. Enable this checkbox and click on that. Okay. So once you enable that, you can able to see this thing. So and once this is done, you can go with the Visual Basics directly right here. This is the one method, and if you want you can just click on this. So once you develop the any macros, all macros are available here. Just click on this and you can go edit like this. Okay, another method. So with this shortcut key alt F11. So once you press this alt F11, so it will go back to the that immediate window, sorry, the coding window. But right now why it's not working for me? Alt F11. Now I'm directly going with this. Okay, once you are in this page, then you can see this file edit. You can see here file edit, view, insert, multiple ribbon are available. So as of now, you can see here sheet one. So basically we have the sheet one. So that's why you get the only sheet one. And if I created a sheet two, by default it will get the sheet two here and this workbook. So these are the models. And right now we are not developing anything code here. So we need to just go to insert and you just go this module. Okay, this is a one method and you can alt MIM. So this is a shortcut key which we are creating a new module. So if you want to change any name here, you can just go and if you're doing something adding workbooks. Okay, so this is my module name. You should not have any space here. So add workbooks. So this is the one. And by preference, you can go A. So this is a module A, and similar we can create it here module B, uh, getting sheet names. You can create it like this. Okay, once this is done, later the next step is, so we need to save this file, or before you can save this file, anything is fine. So now this file is not saved. I'm saving this file. So for saving, I will just click on this browser and directly go to this some new folder, and I will go to codings VBA. So in this VBA, I will go here. So I will make it as one folder, basics. Okay, I will go inside and I will make it here. So practice one and say this type. So here this is Excel, but right now we are enable the macro. So for that we need to use this Excel macro enable workbook. So once this is done, it has some extension. So let me go to that particular folder and we can see this extension. Let me go this UI path. Where is this? VBA basics. Okay, let me open this and you can see this properties. So here the properties which is an extension as .xlsm. Okay, if it is only XLSM, then you can able to run this macro. Okay, now this is done. So we'll go the one sample program. Once if you want to declare that two steps is mandatory, subject and give this name. So this is the name of the project. Name of the Okay, once you click enter here, so it automatically describes this end sub and you can see this column, open and close brackets. Okay, it should not be high fun. This is not. Sorry, my bad. Okay, this is the way how we can declare. And next, right now you can see here the cursor having the black tick mark. Na? So if you want to reduce that, just click on press O option. So right now I'm clicking O. So let me show you that keyboard, constant keyboard. Okay, I will just clear here O. Okay, it's only number lock. Okay, I don't know why it's not working here, but when I press O in my keyboard, it's removing that and getting the normal cursor. So next step is, so if I want to display one message, generally we go with the print. But here we have the one option, MSG VOX, message box off. So you can print here in within the double quotes. Welcome to VBA world. Okay, this is done. So now you can run this program. So you can go this here play option directly. You can click or you can press F5. So anything is work fine. So once I click on, then we can see the welcome to the VBA world. So next step. So if you want to run in debug mode, so basically we have the debug modes and normal modes. So if I want to run in debug modes, just press F8. Okay, click on that. It will give the output and you can just stop. And next step is breakpoints. So you can see this here. Just come here, end of this line. I mean, or starting of this line. So just come here and click this arrow. So then it will create the one color, brown color, and you can see this breakpoints are added. So if you're not doing like that, go to here and you can see here add breakpoints are available. Okay, where it is toggles. So you can see the breakpoint. So you can go any method which you choose prefer. Okay, and next you can see here run. So you can run this with the help of F5. And while running this program, if you want to break completely, okay, just control press break. So directly it will stop this automation. For example, I have thousand of lines. It's running around 500 line. Immediately, if you want to stop this bot completely, you want to stop this bot, you can control press break. So it will clear. I mean, it will stop this enter the bot and reset. So for example, I'm running this bot. If I want to reset this, you can reset. Okay, this is a manual thing. And next is design mode. This is not required, let it be. And you can just tools and we have some references. So right now we need to keep these three references. Sometimes we are getting that, for example, if you want to work with outlooks or you want to work with power automate and you want to work with the word, so these are the extensions we call just or maybe references. Just go here and you want to enable some extensions. Next, this is macros options, and we can protect this macro. If you want to protect, just click here, and you can give the password here. Okay, then it will lock. You cannot able to. Okay, let me show you that. So I'm taking one password is one moment. 777 I given here. 777. Let me click on this. Okay. Now I close this. I'm going here. Okay, it's not locked. Let me check this. Okay, lock for viewing. Let me reopen this entire one. Let me save. I'm opening this. So now you can see this here. So it's not protected. So if you give the password, then only you are able to see. If not, provide the password. So it's keep continuously locked. So we have some other things. We can crack this password as well. So right now I know the password. I'm just entering this. So we can see these modules. Okay, if you don't want to keep the password, just go to here VBA protected and remove this lock for reading. And this should be the blank and downside as well the blank. Click on this OK and go to here save and close and reopen. So whatever the password you kept na, so it's got reduced. Now we can directly go this. Okay. Now you got to know. I think you got some idea of what is the macros and why you are using means we have most of the things we are working with the Excel sites. So for example, you want to create the multiple sheets, you want to fetch the data from the sheets and copying data from one sheet to another sheet or applying the VLOOKUPs, HLOOKUPs or applying the if conditions or if you want to connect with the SAP or you can make with the functions with the data tables, I mean SQLs or you have to work with the folders. So I have the couple of files in the folders. So I want to get all the folders and files the data, or you can connect it with the Power Automate or Microsoft tools are a couple of things, so you can work with those tools as well. And this is some couple of information, and going further videos, we'll try to explore more concepts on this VBA topics. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.